To announce the Green Bay Packers selection, please welcome from the University of South Florida, the Packers 2015 Walter Payton Man of the Year, linebacker Sam Barrington.
We all the way in Chicago, and it's still a G thing. I hear y'all up here, baby. With the 88th pick in the 2016 NFL Draft, the Green Bay Packers select, and you're going to like this one, linebacker, Utah State, Fackrell.
Versatility, toughness. They talked about moving Clay Matthews back outside. With this pick, I wonder if that's in the cards anymore. Fackrell is a guy that can play off the edges. He can drop in coverage. He can put his hand in the dirt, come off the edge. Solid all-around player. You saw him at the Combine. You've seen him at some of the things. Versatile player for the Green Bay Packers.
He's still my beating heart. Back-to-back Aggies of Utah State. I'm
surprised
quite
that his
excited.
teammate went ahead of him, though.